withdrawing money from Questrade margin account is actually a pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can withdraw money from Questrade margin account. So for that you have to be at your Google, and in your Google you have to search for Questrade, and afterwards you have to go to questrade.com. You have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you page which should look something like that. Now here you simply have to hover your mouse on your request and a menu bar will pop up. Currently it is loading, so it is not popping up to power. As you guys can see, it just popped up. Now here you simply have to click on this withdraw funds. Now after clicking on withdraw section, where you will easily be able to withdraw funds by putting the account details wherever you want to withdraw money. Currently my completed, you have to do that as well. After completing the account, you'll easily be able to withdraw right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.